Today, we're going to learn how to do some keyword research within Google Ads. When you're looking at doing some keyword research, you first want to determine the point. So for today's example, we're just going to discover some new keywords. We're going to click in here. Right now, we're in the keyword planner, which you will find in the tools and settings over here in planning. So just for the sake of an example, you can do this two ways. You can start with a keyword, or you can start with a website and have Google kind of give you a starting place to go from. For this example, we are going to look up keywords around a blue bike. And we're going to hit get results. We're going to see what types of keywords might pop up for this type of theme. You can see a bunch of different ways to refine your keywords. There's several different things you can do when you're doing some keyword research. It's going to default to the United States. So if you have a smaller target area, you'll want to adjust that targeting to make sure you get some relevant data. It's going to default to the past year. You want to make sure you have plenty of data to look through your keywords and make sure you're picking on relevant ones. And then we can scroll down to see, first you'll see the keyword we provided, blue bike, how many average monthly searches, if there's a certain change, the year-over-year change, how that competition is for that particular keyword. And then we're going to see a range of how those bids might actually function within the market. So this is going to be helpful so that you can go through these different keywords, get yourself a list, pull out multiple different themes. When you're creating an account, you want to make sure you have a good baseline of keywords. You also want to make sure that if you want to serve a keyword within a market, that it does have volume. If you're making a campaign and you choose 5 keywords that have 0 monthly volume, that's irrelevant because you're not going to get any volume on your keyword. So you can filter this however you want. You can export it if that's what you want. You can click the download button, export it to a Excel file, however you want to kind of research this data. You can add as many or as few as you want, keep adjusting those. You will get a couple different types of bid ranges within each keyword. You're going to get a low range and you're going to get a high range of your bid. This is basically going to tell you when this enters market, where may it actually place in that option. Typically, I will default to the high range because 84 cents is a lot different than almost $4. So you want to make sure when you're choosing those keywords that you're sticking within your budget, you're hitting those cost per clicks that make sense for your account. So you're going to want to take into account how much that particular keyword may cost when it goes into auction. And that's keyword research at a base level.